Hello, I'm Chinneisem Vaiphei, PGT Biology from EMRS Moreh, Manipur. Today I would like to share some of my opinions and personal experiences about the innovative learning system called STEPapp. Well, we all are aware that normal classes could not be conducted in the past many days due to COVID-19 pandemic and a subsequent nationwide lockdown. At this juncture, the introduction of e-learning platform called STEPapp by the government had become very handy for the teachers in reaching out to their students and imparting the required lessons. It also became a blessing to the students who are currently residing at their places, as it enables them to learn their lesson from home. It also provides them a new experience in learning, making more interesting and more exciting. STEPapp has also become an important tool for both the teachers and the students in managing their teaching and learning processes amid lockdown. And I'm also very thankful to the STEPapp team in making sure the students progress in their e-learning without any setback. Thanks and regards from Ms. Chinneisem Vaiphei, EMRS Moreh, Manipur.